CAT 2023, slot 2, LRDI, puzzle number 4. This puzzle was about 9 boxes, which says they are arranged in 3 by 3 areas shown in table 1 and 2, like this. Each box contains 3 sacks, 3 lines they mean. Each sack has a certain number of coins between 1 to 9, both inclusive. The average number of coins per sack in the boxes are all distinct integers. The total number of coins in each row is same. The total number of coins in each column is also the same. Now, what exactly this information means? Let's understand that first. When they say there are 9 boxes, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And each box contains 3 sacks. Matlab there are 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Each sack has a certain number of coins between 1 to 9. That means minimum number of coins in one sack can be 1. The maximum can be 9. Then they say the average number of coins per sack in the boxes are all distinct integers. That means every box has a different average. And as the maximum coins in one sack can be 9 and minimum are 1, that means the average has to be from 1 to 9. It cannot go beyond 9. Because average says that it is a number which is between minimum and maximum. Can't go beyond that. So that means when they have 9 boxes, 9 different averages, and they all are distinct integers, that means one of these boxes has an average 1, another will have 2, 3, and so on. They will be having till 9. Now, this is the average per sack. That means there are 3 sacks. That means total number of coins will be 3, 6, 9, and so on, because the sum, the formula for sum is equal to average into numbers of terms that we have. This is the average and number of sacks we have. So this is the sum of the coins in particular box. So it will go till 45. Now average number of coins per sack, this is done. The total number of coins in each row is same. The total number of coins in each column is also the same. Now how many total coins they're going to have? Now if I add all of them, I get 3 as a common. And then sum of first 9 natural numbers, that is 45. That means that 3 into 45 going to be 135 total number of coins we're going to have. Now these 135 coins, they are distributed evenly. That means in the first column 45, second column 45, third column 45. In the first row there are 45, second row 45, and third row going to be 45. So this is the meaning of these 2 paragraphs. Now let's go on the next paragraphs. This is the table 1 gives information regarding the median of the number of the coins. Median, that means the central terms. That means this 9 is the central term. So there's one term which is less than equal to 9, and the other term is going to be greater than equal to 9. The third box in the first row, the median is 6. That means that's another box, another sack that has a coins less than equal to 6, and another coin on the right hand side which is more than equal to 6. Then table 2, each box has a number of which represents the number of sacks in that box having more than 5 coins. That means the numbers 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 3. That actually represents the number of sacks has more than 5 coins. So in every particular sack, there are going to be 1 to 9 coins, and these are the number. There's one sack which has more than 5 coins. The rest 2 will be 5 or less than 5. Here there are 2 sacks which has more than 5 coins. The third one going to have less than or equal to 5, and so on. Then they are followed by a star and 2 stars. 1 star means the sacks in that box satisfy exactly one among the following 3 conditions. The 3 conditions are: the minimum number of coins in one of these stacks will be 1. The median gonna be 1, and the maximum among the number of coins in the 3 sacks is again 9. So 2 stars means 2 or more conditions to be fulfilled. 1 means 1 condition to be fulfilled. Let's make the box before we solve the question. ahead. Let's make the boxes. Let's make the configuration. So we're going to have one box here. Just make 9 boxes. So these are the 9 boxes now we have. And the information given into these boxes, let's write them also down. 9628. This is as per the table 1. 9628. They are the medians. And as I said, they're going to be two more sacks. So one going to be towards left of this, we will write. The another one right towards the right hand side. And this is the central number because this is the median we have. What more information we have? We have the information in table 2, that the number of sacks with 122, 100, 3320, and the stars. Let's make them also now. It will be easy to understand. This is as per the second table now we have drew. And the three condition, of course, the minimum they said has to be 1. Second condition, the median, that is 1. And the third condition which they had, that is the maximum in any sack, that is also going to be 9. So out of these three conditions, the star one star means one of these conditions going to be satisfied, and 2 stars means two or all the three will be satisfied. Now let's start looking at the questions. The first question which we have, that says, what is the total number of coins in the box in the third row? Now that is the answer we already have without drawing anything, because we know total 135 coins we had, as we discussed here. And in each row we're going to have 45, 45, 45. In each column we have 45 each. That way the answer to this question is very simple. What is the total number of coins in all the box in third row? That is going to be 45. Quite easy, quite straightforward question to us. No need to do the table also. The second question which we have, that says, how many boxes have at least one sack containing 9 digits, 9 coins? Now we have to solve it actually. How many will have 9 coins? Let's understand that. Now, the total has to be 45, and the average for every of these box has to be different. So first of all, let's try to make, now this is the first hint I can get from here. Now this has 9 as a median, and we can't go beyond 9. And this is the central number. That means the next number has to be 9 here. Now they mentioned that two of these numbers in the sack, the number of coins, they are more than 5. That means the third one is less than 5 or equal to 5. And 1 star means one of these conditions has to be satisfied. Now median can't be 1. Maximum 9 is already done. That means this condition will be satisfied. Minimum cannot be 1. And I know they have to be a distinct average integer. That means whatever it should be, the total has to be multiple of 3. Now 9 plus 9, 18. And below 5 or less than 5, I have only 3 to be here. That means now this is 3, 9, 12, 12 and 9, 21. That means the average to this box is going to be 7. Now no other box will have the same average. That is another thing which we have to understand. Now let's go further. Now which other box we can take? We can take this box also. Here it says all the 3 has to be greater than 5 or equal to 5. Central number is 8, and one of these condition has to be satisfied. Now if all the 3 numbers are greater than 5, then minimum 1, median 1 is not possible. Maximum 9, that is the only possibility I have here. Now again, if I look at the same thing here, now 9 and 8, 17. What other number I should have here should be divisible of 3. So this is 17 plus x should be divisible of by 3, and x has to be greater than 5. That means it can be 6, 7, 8, not 9. Now out of 6, 7, 8, which value fits here? 17 plus 6, 23, not a multiple of 3. 17 plus 7, 24. That is a multiple of 3. That means this number has to be 7. And that means the average of this box will be 8. 24 divided by 3, the average will be 8. Now take another box. Let's say which other. Now here again, where we have all the 3 numbers has to be greater than 5 and one condition has to be fulfilled. That means maximum 9, that has to be fulfilled here for sure. Because minimum 1, median 1 is not possible. So maximum has to be 9 here, that's for sure. In the first box, let's go one by one. In the first box, we have one number has to be greater than 5. Two of the condition or 3 of them has to be matched. And if I see, if 2 has to be matched, the median can be 1, of course, and minimum also can be 1. The maximum 9, that will not be possible. Because 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 9, 11. Now that will not be possible. So 2 condition has to be fulfilled. If I take 9, the other thing can't be taken. Otherwise, it has to be 1, 1, 9, but that is not possible here. I believe it's quite easy to understand. If I have it 1, 1, 9, all the 3 conditions are possible are meeting, but the total is not a multiple of 3. That means I has to make it 117. And with this, the average for this also going to be 3. Now, this box was already completed. Let's go here. Now here we are, what option we have? Now 2 of them has to be more than 5. That means it can be 6, 7, 8, 9. One condition has to be met. Now, which one condition can be met? Median 1 cannot be possible. It's not possible for us. Either it can be maximum 9 or minimum has to be 1. Out of these, anything is possible. I can have minimum 1 or I can have maximum 9. Any of them is possible. I can't take both. Of course, no. So if I take 9 here and 9 and 6, 15, then it has to be either 1 or 3. Either 0 or 3 because we have to make a multiple. So it has to be 9, 6, and 3 if it is. So that will become 18. The average going to be 6. Or other case we have, if I take this as 1, 1 and 6, 7, then other has to be 8. That means either it will be 1, 6, 8 or it will be 3, 6, 9. Let's go for the next box. Now here, 2 conditions has to be met. Median can't be 1. That means 1 and 9, that has to be there. We don't have an option to that. And 1 to 9, that means it makes it 3 and 9, 12. And average gonna be 4. Now this, so 9 is not possible. Median 1 and minimum 1 both are not possible. Either minimum has to be 1, median has to be 1. Now median is 1, then minimum has to be also 1. That means this is also not possible. This has to be 1. No other condition gonna met. Now this again we have to leave. There can be more options. So we'll try to avoid options like situation like this. 2 condition has to be met. That means 1 and 9 both will be here. Here again 0 we have nothing has, and 2 of the condition has to be met. 2 of the condition has to be met. That means mean and median both has to be 1. That means this has to be 1, 1. This we'll find out. Now, as we also now coming back on one more thing that we know the total is 45 here. So this is 112 and 7 9, 9 and 21, that is 30. It has to be 15, and that is being made by this option only. This will exceed it. That means the answer to this is going to be 168. When I say 168, that means 167, 7, 8, 15. 15 means average 5. So this is also done. The first row is done. Now what we are left with right now? The average 1 left, average 2 is also left, 3 is done, 4 is done, 5 done, 6 is left, 7 done, 8 also done. So we have 1, 2, 6, and 9 left. Now to make an average of 9, all has to be 9. And out of these 4 boxes, only this is the possibility where I can have all the 3 9. That means from here we can have the average as 9. This is done. Now if I have to make an average of 6, that means total has to be 18. Now 18 I can't have here because I can't have 16 here. Here I can have 18 because one more number has to be more than 5. So this will be 189. This is 18 now. This will be 6. And here we have to keep all the options open. Now this 2 condition has to be met. Now this 6 is also done. Now we have either 1 or 2. Now this, if I have 4, I need to make all these 1 1 1. If I make all these 1 1 1, both the things will be met. Now that is not possible. That means the one average will be for this one. So here's the average 1, and this average should be now, which is left 2. And to make it 2, I need to have it 6. The total going to be 1, 2, and 3. And the average going to be 2. Now, how many boxes have 9 as per the question we had? The question we had that how many of these boxes have at least one sack containing 9 coins. So this is 1. Then we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 boxes. Those will be having 9 coins. Let's look at the next question. Next question says, for how many of the boxes are the average and median of the number of coins contained in 3 sacks in the box? In the box are same. So the average as well as the median should be same. So it's average 3, median 1, average 7, median 9, average 5, median 6, average 4, median 2. So first is this one. Average and median both are same. Second is this one. 3 and 4. So there are 4 boxes that we have actually. So this is also done. The next question which we have in here. How many sacks have exactly 1 coin? Exactly 1 coin. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That is the answer also. I believe the last question to this puzzle: in how many boxes do all the 3 sacks contain different number of coins? Now, different number of coins, when I say, this is not the one, this is not the one, this is the first one, second, third, 4, 5. There are 5 sacks which have all the different numbers. That is the answer. After this, the quant starts. Okay, that is all for today. I believe this puzzle is quite easy, but yes, it takes a lot of time because a lot of calculation are involved in this. The rest 2 puzzles in this particular slot were quite easy, quite straightforward. But this puzzle, yes, that's right, it took a lot of time. Reason being, calculations were a part of that. Hope everybody understood this quite clearly. Any doubt anybody has, they may write in the comment, and do subscribe, comment, and like, so we can keep posting more videos. Thank you so much.